Broccoli and egg salad is a simple everyday side dish that pairs beautifully with any meal. Lightly blanched broccoli and coarsely chopped boiled eggs are tossed with creamy Japanese mayonnaise, then seasoned with just a touch of salt and pepper. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Make medium boiled eggs and let cool. Cut broccoli into florets and blanch for a couple of minutes. Drain and let cool. Now we are going to coarsely chop the boiled eggs. Combine the boiled eggs and broccoli in a bowl. Then season with Japanese mayonnaise and some salt and pepper. And mix and chill for about an hour. This is a super easy side dish you can make with simple ingredients. It's also perfect to pack in a bento lunch. Hope you try it soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。